Hi, my name is Alia Ijaz and I'm a solicitor at Myosin. I specialise in helping people make their lasting powers of attorney. The lasting power of attorney, or LPA, is a document in which a person can appoint one or more people to make decisions on their behalf. In my initial meeting with clients, the main discussion is about who they would like to appoint as their attorney. The attorney must be over 18 years of age, have mental capacity, and not be bankrupt when they sign their LPA. The attorney should be someone that you trust to act in your best interest and someone who has the skills and ability to carry out the necessary tasks. For example, if you are appointing someone to make financial decisions on your behalf, they should be somebody who is responsible with money. You can appoint your spouse, children, or friends as your attorneys. However, you could also appoint a professional attorney to deal with your financial affairs. The professional attorney would normally charge for their service, but they would be an independent person who should have experience in acting as an attorney. You can appoint your attorneys to act in a number of ways when making decisions. For example, you could appoint your attorneys to act jointly. This means they must all agree and must always act together. The disadvantage of this option is that if one of them can no longer act, then all the attorneys would be unable to act unless there is at least one replacement appointed already. It can also cause practical difficulties if all the attorneys have to make unanimous decisions. Alternatively, you can appoint your attorneys to act jointly and severally, which means they can act together, but they can also act independently. This means that the acts of one attorney will bind the other. This option allows the remaining attorney to continue to act if the other dies or loses capacity. You would need to ensure that your chosen attorneys can trust each other. It is also possible for attorneys to act jointly on some decisions and jointly and severally on others. For example, you may want your attorneys to act jointly on the sale of your property, but this would need to be set out clearly in the LPA, as the Office of the Public Guardian can sometimes reject wording which would cause uncertainty. If you are considering making an LPA, we can help. Please get in touch with me or anyone in our private client team on 0161 941 4000 or email lawyers@myosin.co.uk.